Alpsat CCTV meter is a multifunctional device for configuring, maintaining, and testing surveillance systems and computer networks. At the top of the device, the following interfaces are available: BNC for analog cameras, 24-volt power socket, RS485 port, LAN socket for IP cameras, PSE socket for PoE testing, 2 DC 12-volt outputs. At the bottom, the following interfaces are available: HDMI input and output, micro SD card slot, TDR socket for cable testing, UTP socket, not in use, mini jack audio output, USB 5 volts 2 amp port, power socket and indicator. The set includes a BNC cable and power cable, enabling the operation of analog cameras. The meter supports various systems, including HD CVI and HD TVI up to 8 megapixels, AHD up to 5 megapixels, and CVBS. The application called CVBSHD-ACT automatically detects the system in which the camera is operating and allows for quick image display. The tester supports IP cameras from multiple manufacturers, including Dahua, Hikvision, and Sanel. The cameras are connected to a PoE switch, which provides them with power. The Smart IPC application allows for searching, activating, and configuring cameras. When logging into the application, a history of recently used passwords is available, which can be used to log into cameras automatically. The network cable from the PoE switch is plugged into the meter's lane port. For Sanel cameras, live preview is available immediately if the login credentials are correct. The application allows for quick IP address changes. In the IP settings section, after clicking Quick IP Settings, the application suggests a new address, which can also be entered manually. The OSD button provides options for renaming cameras and positioning that name on the screen. In the User Settings submenu, users can change camera login credentials. For the purpose of this demonstration, all connected cameras are assigned the same login and password. The login data was also changed in the application so that different passwords do not need to be entered for each device. Hikvision and Dahua cameras require activation upon first use. This can be easily done in the application, which also allows resetting devices to factory settings if the previously set passwords are known. The camera reset option is available in the Manage/Time submenu. The camera manufactured by Dahua is activated in the same manner. The last feature presented here is the ability to send ping requests to diagnose network problems, such as delays or packet loss. In the Advanced submenu, users can configure parameters such as the number of requests, the IP Tools function in the Network Tools application allows for discovering devices on a LAN network. It displays a clear list of occupied and available IP addresses. If a camera needs to be tested in a location where power is unavailable, the meter's built-in battery can be used. The Alpsat device provides 24 volts, 12 volts, and 5 volts power sources, as well as power over Ethernet. In the power application, users must activate the selected power mode. A message displayed at the top of the screen indicates that PoE power is active. Once power is activated, the camera can be tested using the Smart IPC application. The PSE application enables the identification of PoE wire pairs by measuring voltage. The PoE switch, which powers the camera, is connected to the PSE in port of the meter, and the camera is connected via the LAN port. In Power over Ethernet standard, power is transmitted using pairs 1 to 2 positive and 3 to 6 negative. The TDR test application allows users to measure cable length and locate damage based on signal propagation time analysis. The result is displayed in meters, making it easy to determine the distance to the damaged location. In this case, the cable appears to be damaged at approximately 26 meters. The cable test application checks the correct termination of cable connectors. The tested cable must be connected on one end to the TDR port of the meter and on the other end to an included adapter. For demonstration purposes, a faulty patch cord is also shown. At the back of the device, there is a foldable stand, which makes it easier to use the tester on a desk. The HDMI input allows for connecting a DVR or another external device to display images and perform local configuration. The HDMI output enables the tester to be connected to an external monitor. Thanks for watching, and we invite you to visit our eShop, dipolenet.com.